Hi guys, my name is Jonaliza. Welcome back to my channel. So, how do I do my video? What app I'm using for my editing? I'm gonna show you guys. So, first of all, you need laptop. Okay. So, boom. So, as you know, I'm not an editor. I'm not very good at editing, but it's my hobby. Create videos or like create my moments. And I found this app really great for beginners. This app is named VLLO. So like you can have a lot of like a sound effect and you have like background music. Lahat ng kailangan nyo nandun na. As beginners, it's kinda like hard to find music, not copyright or like sound effect that you want or having more option to create your video. So I'm gonna show you how simple it is and yeah, let's begin. So ito yung sa trip ng mini trailer vlog. Like you have many sound music, and for the sound effect you have a lot of them. So basically I'm use like the piano for like a pause for my blog. Like it's very great having a lot of option. And of course you have like graphic stickers, a lot of stickers that you can choose, and they are very cute. I like a lot of them and I use like quite often the stickers. And here we have frame that you can choose. I like this one. This one is kind of more like aesthetic. You can have this too and oopsie. And yes, of course you have voiceover, and we have here graphic, the frames. You can see there are a lot of them that you can choose. We have also some sparkle if you want to put some sparkle in. And here you can draw, and here you have a text. Here there's like an auto caption helped me a lot with my subtitle, because I'm speaking like 3 languages in my video, because it's kind of difficult to say what I want and how to express myself. So it's kind of hard for me to speak just one language. So yeah. And here we have picture that you can put picture, imagine GIF, and video that you can put like under of your video. And here we have VLLO stock that basically you can choose a lot of them. It's more like a background, or depends which one would you like to use. So here we have like some outro, and here we have some intro, like welcome, this one that I used, and I saved this one like thank you for watching. And yeah, and this I use a lot for my posts for my vlog. So yeah, filter. And here also we have the blur one. So like you can choose a lot of them. So basically you can choose like this, so basically this my Denmark trip. So how I edit it, basically here you can have a like keyframe that you can be creative with your vlog. So basically I did like I shrink the image because I want something that I can push the frame so you can have the effect. So you can see here I'm pushing the frame, and yeah, and there's like a sound effect too, like I found on the VLLO in this app, and it's very great for beginners. Okay. And yeah. yeah, basically it's like that. And here all the effect, I almost forgot, I almost like stopped the video. So basically here, if you click the video, here you have a lot of things like filter, effect, speed, opacity, freeze, and there's like you can mute it directly. And here we have the mask that you can choose, and yeah. So we have here with the diamond thing here design. Here basically you can choose like a transform. So basically you can choose this. Okay, I never done this, but I saw somewhere frame it in here, like transform to like that. So basically you have that. Yeah, so I like this app, like can be creative. I can do it easily because other apps is kind of difficult to understand how to edit. I tried, and yeah, but of course in the future I want to learn how to edit more. So. Ok, adesso vi ho parlato sa app na ginagamit ko para mag-vlog. Now, for my experience for vlogging outside, because I'm kind of shy person, so it's quite difficult to film outside, but these my tips. Adesso che è normale filmare rispetto anni fa, sì, ci sono comunque delle persone che ti giudicano, ma se ti piace quello che stai facendo, vai. If you're gonna buy like a photo camera, I suggest you more this one. Come si chiama? Insta360 Go Ultra, because Insta360 Go Ultra, all the things that you want to film is here, because you have a lot of accessories. So basically you can have this one that you can put it on and have like a P of shots. I bought the Insta360 Gold Ultra, the creator bundle, so you have a lot of accessories. My favorite one is the pivot mount that you can attach every wall that you want because it's sticky. Here we have a tripod that you can use. Is very full, and there's also like a CD card storage. So I'm use this camera just for like a difficult frame that I want to have. So like basically if I want something like up here, I don't want to risk my Osmo Pocket, so I just use this. Poi qua dietro magnet din. Venite con me a cenare con la mia famiglia. Adesso noi siamo a Toso, facciamo samgyeopsal. Poi ho visto che c'è takoyaki. Takoyaki è molto buono. Yeah. Adesso abbiamo ordinato il dolce, io ho preso un cheesecake e mia sorella invece ha preso tiramisù.